Hello YouTube, my name is Anthony Romanolo and this is my Rails API JavaScript project. I'm doing a game reviews website. Basically you get all the CRUD actions with games and reviews. You can make, you can create games and delete them, and then you can create, read, update, and delete all of the reviews as long as you're with the associated user. The way this app works though is I have authentication. Nothing will work unless you are signed in. You could sign up with the user, and if you want to use the test data, the seeded data, you could just sign in with the test account, and I put the username and password in both the README files. Test@test.com and password will sign you in and let you have access to some of the data. Basically, you click on a game. That was something I just put in right before. We have best game ever. You can click on it and edit the review, and it'll pop up with the review post. Boy, guy, I love this game. And then if you change the review, it saves it. You could delete the review. You can delete the game. You can also add reviews. And the reason I had test ferret is because it's one of the things that pop up, but new review, you can add that guy. You can put some text in there and it'll save it. Some text. Something I thought was important is that if you delete this Mega Man game, these two reviews should also go away. Add a game, add a review to it. And that all saves. Something I also did was this sticky scroll bar. It was giving me a lot of trouble at first because you couldn't see the flash messages, but I got it in a nice place. There's a drop-down menu, and I was hoping to implement some console attribute at some point, where if you click on Nintendo Switch, it'll pop up with Super Mario and other Nintendo games, and if you click on PlayStation, it'll pop up with Mega Man. But yeah, that's basically all the CRUD. Oh, and something I forgot to do in the last video. If you for some reason, if the page is smaller, maybe you're inspecting or something like that, everything auto moves. It's very cool. But also the nav bar also gives you this little button, which if you click it, it'll pop up. Man, it's a little too small, but it'll pop up with the menu. That way you could still get to the cosmetic menu. That does not do anything, but hopefully it will one day. And then still get your stuff. And then, yeah, that is all my CRUD functions of the app. Get rid of this guy. Yeah, that's everything you can do with the app. You can make games, delete them, make reviews, delete those, edit them. It has authentication, which wasn't needed, but I think it's better to have a user and then all the stuff gets saved with him. And that is my application. All right, I will be going. Goodbye, YouTube. I am going to awkwardly go to the stop record button. All right, goodbye.